Hello, welcome everyone. I am now starting another video with factorization from class for class 9. The questions is some question I am and I will do here. So the first question is, you see, this is the question. So how to factorize this in this type of factorization? This is called quadratic method, and by factorization method. Okay, 6 you have to multiply these two numbers. 6 into 6 36, and 36 can be written as 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 4 into 4 into 9, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, hmm, 4 into 9. You see here are some pairs of numbers are there. In between these numbers we have to get 5 from 5 from which number? You see this pair, 9 minus 4 is 5. So here you write 6x square plus 9 minus 4 into x minus 6. You are unable to write any number from your choice. Say suppose 5 can be written as 10 minus 5. It is not possible. You have to select the number from here. So here 9 minus 4 is there, so I have written 5. Now you write 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Now you have to take common from this number. You see 6 means 3 into 2 6, 9 means 3 into 3 9. So you see in between these two numbers 3 is there. In between x square and x, always you consider the smaller will come in the common place. So I have taken say 3 common from 6, so it will be 2. 1x taken outside, so 1x plus, you see 3 3 is 9, 3 remains, x is already taken outside. Now in between these two, you see here is minus, here is minus, so you take minus common. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, so you see 2 is common in both. When minus 2 is taken common, it will be plus twice x, plus twice x, and here minus I have taken outside, so it will be plus, and it will be 3 because 2 3 is 6. Now here you see in between the two terms we can write 2x plus 3 is common in between these two. So what left? 3x minus 2 left. So this is the answer. Okay. So another question, very easy one. 2x square minus 54. So you see we are unable to do it a whole thing square. So you see first you take common between these two. 2 is common. After taking 2 common, it will be x square, and here you can write. Sorry, here some problem is there. It should be cube. Okay, so taking 2 common, it will be x cube, and this will be 27. Okay, so 2 same, you can write it as a cube minus b cube form, a cube minus b cube. So you have to know the formula of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, next question. You see it can be written as 3 whole in cube, and 125 a cube can be written as minus 5a whole cube. A cube I have written, b cube I have written. So if you observe it carefully, you can identify what formula is it belongs to. So I have written a cube and b cube. 3 cube means 27. Its function is complete, and 5a whole cube 125 a cube, it is also completed. So the total formula will be a cube minus 3 a square into b is 5a, plus 3 into a into b square. If you break it, 90 is 27, 5 is 135. This is minus 135. This part and this part same. And this part is also same, 25 into 9 to 25 square. So its formula becomes a minus b whole thin cube. And whole thin cube means a number should be right thrice, 3 times. Complete. Now you see another question. question is root 2 x square plus 3x plus root 2. Here you have some problem, root 2 sign. When you see the root 2 sign, it creates a criticality for you. So you multiply these two numbers, root 2 into root 2, you remember that is 2 only. And 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So in place of 3, we can write root 2 x square plus, here you write 2 plus 1 into x plus root 2. Next line, root 2 x square plus 2 into x plus 1 into x plus root 2. Here you see, it is a problematic to take in common. I am writing this one thoroughly. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Here you see 1x same and root 2 is also same. So in between the first two terms, what is common? You see root 2 is common in both, x is also common. So when I have taken root 2x common, it will be x and this will be root 2. Here nothing is common, so x 1, so you write x plus root 2. Now you see in between these two terms, we can write x plus root 2. And here you can write root 2a plus 1. This is root 2a plus 1. Answer. So another question, last one. This is the question. You have to factorize this one. Uh, Here if you consider it in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, it will not be possible. So I have taken LCM is 16. So when 16 is the LCM, now you see after taking LCM it will be 16x square minus 16 to the 32x plus 7. Okay, 16 I have written in the denominator. Now multiply 16 into 7. 16 into 7 I have multiplied here 112. It can be written as 256, 4 into 28, 4 into 28, then 6 into 8 into 14, then 16 and 7. So after calculation I have got 28 plus 4 is 32. That's why I have written here 4 plus 28. Okay, 4 plus 28 into x plus 7. Now you keep it same in every line, and this can be written as 16x square minus 4x minus 28x plus 7. After this you take common 4x. When I have taken common 4x, it will be 4x minus 1, and from these two we can take 7 common. It will be 4x minus 1 divided by 16. Next you take common from these two. 4x minus 1 is common, so 4x remain in the first term and 7 remains in the second term, divided by 16. That is the answer. Another one, I am trying another one question. Question is x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Here I thought by putting x equal to 1, it will not be 0. You also think yourself. But if we put x is equal to minus 1, I am definitely sure that it will be 0. Let's see what happens. Suppose px, px is minus 1. So in place of x you put minus 1 now. You write minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 minus 5. Okay. So this can be written as minus 1 and plus 1 minus 3 plus 9 minus 5. So this can be written as 9 minus 9, that is 0. So when x is equal to minus 1, you remember the factor will be x plus 1. You write therefore x plus 1 is a vector of px. Px means this one. Now you find the other factor. You write therefore other factor is, you divide the px by x plus 1. You write x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. It is x cube. So you have to write x square here. It will be x cube plus x square Now sign change, this and this cancel, it will be minus 4x square minus 9x minus 5. This is x, it is minus 4x square, you have to write here minus 4x. Minus 4x into x will be minus 4x square. Minus 4x into 1 will be minus 4x. Now again sign change. In case of division, sign will be changed always. So this cancel. The greater one is negative, so give negative sign. 9 minus 4 is 5x minus 5. Now again divide it by x, so it will be minus 5. So answer will be here minus 5x minus 5. Sign change, so these are cancelled. Therefore we can write x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to, here this into this. You write x plus 1 into x square minus 4x minus 5. Now you do the middle term of the second part. It can be written as, in place of 4 I have written 5 minus 1 because 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore x plus 1 I have written, here you write x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. After that you write x plus 1, in bracket you take common x minus 5 plus, you take 1 common, it will be x minus 5. After that you write x plus 1 same. In between these two terms you can take x minus 5 common. So here x left, here 1. So this is the ultimate answer of this question, very important type. One question will come exactly like this one, but question will be changed. So I hope you can understand all the maths. So please like and share my video and subscribe my channel to get more update. Thank you. Good night.